Today I'm making a candle, and as you can see I have the cheapest elements to make it. One is a porcelain cup, any porcelain cup. I also have the cheapest rice, which is idli rice, which you can use, or any rice. And I also have a stick which I'm making it as a woolen piece so that we can light. The other thing is I'm using this product, which is Patanjali oil. Any oil which you can use. Coconut oil is always good. Also water. Okay, water, as you can see, this is a water bottle, and this water is good water. Any water you can use for this. So today I'm making a candle. The candle will be made. I'm also going to pour a little water now. So here we go. This is water. Okay, and I pour oil, also oil. Okay, just before it comes up I will twirl this. So you see I made it. I twirled it, and this will sit in the middle like that. Okay, now I'm going to light it. You can see this candle has been lit, and now here we have a candle. So you can use this technique to go ahead and light whatever you need in times of need when you don't have a candle. Keep watching more videos like this for more hacks and tricks.